In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to quickly create a bell curve with Kutools for Excel. In this method, I will introduce the normal distribution or bell curve feature of Kutools for Excel. This feature will help you easily create a bell curve chart with only 2 clicks. In addition, this feature also supports the creation of a frequency histogram chart and a combo chart of the bell curve and frequency histogram as well. Click the first cell and hold the Shift Control arrow key down. To select the data range you will create a bell curve based on, click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the charts drop-down list and select normal distribution or bell curve. In the opening dialog, check the normal distribution chart option in the select section. Click the OK button. Resize the chart and you can shift the chart to the top of the page. You can edit the title to bell curve. If you need to create a frequency histogram chart, again select the data range, click the Kutools tab, click the charts drop-down list and select normal distribution or bell curve. Select the frequency histogram chart, click the OK button, resize the chart and move it to the top of the page by cutting and pasting it. We will name our chart as frequency histogram. Frequency histogram. For a combo chart of the bell curve and frequency histogram, we will check both options. Select your data range, click Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the charts drop down list, select normal distribution or bell curve and check the both chart types. Click the OK button, resize the chart, cut it and paste it to the top of the sheet. In the chart title, type combo chart. As you can see, the 3 different types of the charts are inserted. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.